guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an exciting video for you guys. I'm doing another Normal Girl Reviews video, and today we are doing it on the Colourpop Going Coconuts palette. So this is one of their 9-pan palettes in their plastic packaging. They have so many different variations of this kind of pan arrangement, but different colors and stuff like that. This is their Going Coconuts collection version of their 9-pan palette. This is still up on the website. The collection is really pretty, and I'm going to review this for you guys. So on the website, this is only $12, which is absolutely fantastic, especially for what you're getting. So I love Colourpop eyeshadows. They are a holy grail product of mine because whenever I use one of their eyeshadows, it's going to work really well for me. They're affordable. They come out with so many different variations of colors all the time, which the combination of those two is really fantastic because you can grow your collection without breaking the bank like crazy, and you can explore new colors and all that kind of stuff. So I really appreciate Colourpop. So without further ado, this is what the palette looks like. Neutrals. And I saw, I think it was Raw Beauty Christy use this, and I was like, oh my god, I have to have that, because even though it looks super boring, I'll be able to get so much use out of this, which is really what's important, because you're buying makeup to use it and not let it sit like I do with a lot of stuff, which is why I'm doing a project pan. If you want to see those videos, I will link the playlist below. But anyways, this is just perfect. So we have 6 mattes and 3 shimmers. So they are matte, matte, and then shimmer down the middle. I didn't mean to flip you off, sorry. But this can work for all different types of skin tones. You have a couple of cool, you have like a cool tone in here, you have some mid-tones, and then you have some really warm tones like this, like terracotta-y brown color. Also, this is a really large mirror. I haven't taken the film off because I don't want to like blind you guys with my lights, but this is what I am wearing today, so I will roll the footage right now. So first what I did was take the color Shredded, which is like a creamy beige color, and just set my eyeshadow primer with this, just so that everything blends seamlessly. And then I took Lovely Bunch and used this as my crease color, took it up kind of as my transition shade as well. And then to darken things up a little tiny bit in the crease, I took Cool Lotta. For my shimmer shade, I used Cocoa Rush, which is so freaking beautiful. It's like this muted rose gold that's like a little bit cool tone, but still kind of warm at the same time. It's a really pretty unique color. So I am very impressed, like always, with how they blended the pigmentation. I don't like to wear my eyeshadows so insanely pigmented like you'll see other creators on YouTube wear, because I have a 9-to-5 job. Like, I gotta go do normal girl stuff, which is Normal Girl Reviews. So yeah, I'm not trying to like go balls to the walls with the pigmentation. I'm just trying to get a really classy, clean look for the workday, and this is perfect for that. So what I'm gonna do now is tell you the colors, show them, and swatch them to you. So first we have Shredded, which again is like a creamy beige color. Then we have Lovely Bunch, which is a somewhat warm kind of mid-tone brown. Then we have Get Crackin', which is a deeper bronze color. This is what Tati Westbrook would call a sequin shade. It's matte but has a little bit of shimmer in it. Then we have our first real shimmer shade. This is Palm Reader. Then we have Cocoa Rush, which is the eyelid shade I have on, which is like a muted rose gold. Then we have Da Cocoa, which is a really deep bronze color. Going back to mattes, we have Cool Lotta, which is a cool dark brown. Then we have Shell Yeah, which is a reddish terracotta brown. And then finally we have Nutty, which is a deep, rich chocolate brown. Okay guys, so that is the palette. I hope this helped you. The whole point of normal girl reviews is I legit am a normal person. Like I said, I have a 9-to-5 job. This is the most makeup I will do for work. Yes, I do wear a full face every day just because I enjoy it. It's like my me time to sit down in the morning and do my face, have my coffee, watch Real Housewives, all that kind of stuff. But I'm not an artist. I'm living in the real world. I don't have plastic surgery on my face. I don't have lip fillers, stuff like that. So I am literally a normal girl reviewing products instead of you watching an influencer who has a very different lifestyle than you and who has a very different face from you, even though I still have a different face, but you get what I mean. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will put the rest of my normal girl review videos down below. I will link the playlist. So if you like this, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you later, guys. Bye.